Hello, today in this video I want to show you how to install the Visual Sub EOS tool, which allow you to create the mapping for the virtual drive on the Windows PC. Okay, so basically when you are using the Windows PC to store the file and the documentation, so uh, when you're working with a folder a lot of time, so you want to create a virtual drive which map to that folder for easier to manage and accessing, and you don't know how to read. But in this video today I will guide you how to resolve it. Okay, so firstly I will open my PC. Okay, for example here I working a lot of time with the this folder is set up. Okay, so now for example when I open this one and copy this, and at the next time I close this one and I have to open this PC again, data and setup folder to access this and copy the content inside this folder. So it will make me take a lot of steps here. Okay, so now to reduce the step, and I will guide you how to download a software. You access into the internet and open the web browser, access to the visual subtonic.com. Okay, you can see here we have a software visual sub. You click on free download. After that, it will direct you to the download page, where here you are able to sign in to start the download for the Facebook and Google Plus. We have another alternative way to download the software by clicking on the alternative download button here. Okay, it is downloading. Yeah, you can see here for now the file has been downloaded to the PC. You just click on this one, the executable file, to install the software. Yet click on the I agree button to agree the license of agreement. Next, install. Okay, so after that you can see here, you see the message is completed. That means you have just installed the software on the Windows PC successfully. You click on close button. Okay, minimize this one. You can see here on the desktop we have an icon Visual Sub. Double click on this one to open it. Okay, I will delete this one. Okay, so now I will open this and data setup folder. Okay, so now I have to add new. I will okay, you can see open this one. You can see here for now on my PC I have four drive letter C drive D E and F. So now here I will have another drive A B Z H E I Z. This one is the label name for the mapping driver on my PC. Okay, so now I will select another one Z, and after that we will select the folder which we want to map it at the virtual on the PC virtual drive letter. Click on this one and you throw it to the folder you want to be mapping to the virtual drive. Okay, after that click on the plus button here to add it. Okay, close. You open my computer. Yeah, so you can see here after that the software will automatically create a new virtual driver, and you can see here the size of this drive. It look like the same thing for the D drive. Okay, open this one here and back to my computer, open to Z drive. Yeah. Oh, sorry, this one is not the setup folder. This is my um, Google Drive folder. Okay, so you are able to create multiple virtual drive on the PC. So now I will select another one. I will select the setup folder. Setup. Okay. Close. Yeah. Open this one. It will direct me to the setup folder content. Okay. So now if you don't want to use this, you are able to remove by clicking on open this. Select the virtual drive you want to be removed. Delete. So this one look like the shortcut of the folder. By it is the same thing. Look like the same thing. The default feature of the window. So here, when you remove this one here, so it only removes the shortcut, and it does not affect into the content inside the folder. Okay, delete this one. Close. Yes, you can see now the drive Z and H had been removed, and open back to this one and set up here. The content still here. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and hope this video will helpful for you. And after you take a look into this video, you know how to create a virtual drive letter on your PC for easier checking and working on the folder on the Windows PC. Okay, so hope that helped, and do let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.